Have you heard the term cryptocurrency? No, I don't have any idea about it. Let's ask my dad. Daddy, can you please tell me something about cryptocurrency?
Yeah, the word cryptocurrency represents encoded advance cash that can be communicated and approved through a particular cycle commonly alluded to as mining. We will additionally explore how cryptographic forms of money really work and what sorts of digital currencies there are. So I would like to start with short outline of the fundamental properties of cryptographic money and the fundamental realities you should think about it. To begin with, there is a need to characterize public records. It should be noticed that all affirmed exchanges with the utilization of digital currency are kept in open records. The new exchanges are typically observed to ensure that the client of the computerized wallet spends just the coins she possesses. The second term that should be interpreted is exchange. It for the most part alludes to the progress of cash between two wallets. The exchanges are completely kept in open records and hold back to be affirmed. The cycle of exchange affirmation typically requires a few minutes. There is one more term that is utilized with respect to cryptographic money mining. To lay it out plainly, digging represents the method of supporting the exchange and moving them to the public record. The mining method increases the value of the digital currency and is by and large alluded to as a proof-of-work framework. Commonly, there are different variables, aside from the fundamental ones depicted over, that make this monetary framework unique in relation to that of the past. The primary factor is versatile scaling, which makes it feasible for digital forms of money to work appropriately on various scales. One of such frameworks can be found in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is one of the sorts of cryptographic money that is uniquely intended to allow a solitary exchange to be mined in around 10 minutes. One more differentiation of digital currency from customary one is the way that regular monetary frameworks utilize actual articles, while cryptographic money is totally electronic. One more trait of cryptographic money is the utilization of the confirmation of work framework. When utilizing such frameworks, an uncommon riddle is abused to limit the utilization of cryptographic money mining. It is additionally worth referencing that for any cash to be powerful, it needs to have some worth. Gold is an uncommon asset and requires a lot of exertion to get and afterward refine it. Accordingly, the uncommonness of this asset is by and large what gives gold some worth. Coins here are created by alleged excavators. These are the people who work programming and equipment proposed for managing the confirmation of work frameworks. Be that as it may, there is one all the more method to approve computerized cash. The worth can be created when the exchanges are put in open records, which is likewise a significant part of digital money. All things considered, digital money proceeds to create and stays a promising monetary framework with numerous possibilities for what's to come.